What's going on, everyone? So I want to do a quick little video here on the Nasdaq futures. I want to give a little technical analysis video on where I think potentially that stocks could go, especially for this week heading into next week. So tomorrow is going to be Wednesday, and that date is going to be the 6th of April now, right? So we're already in April. With that being said, the little bit of the range that we have here, if we just kind of look back to last week where we hit these highs on the NQ, it's 15,268. This is obviously still our supply zone here. We would need to break above this supply zone to see stocks get a continued move to the upside. Now, we did also come off a 10-12 day run up on a lot of stocks on the overall market. So this little bit of pullback and rest is much needed for the stocks. So what we want to see here, if you are trading futures and you are trading the NQ, we have a little bit of a range here, right? So this range that we're in is a pretty significant range. It's a 500-point range from the bottom price here of 14,700, let's call it, all the way up to 15,273. Now, how I'm getting this bottom half of the range here is going back to last Friday, where we kind of quickly on the 1 hour time frame breached the 200-day moving average, and as we overshot that, the bulls immediately bought that back up, and we went on a nice 2-day little ripper here. So obviously we have this rejection mini supply zone here right around this 15,200 zone. So if you are a scalper, if we do make it back up towards 15,200, set an alert, guys. I know you guys are not going to remember all of these levels just by watching this video one time. So as you're watching these videos, do your homework right now, pull up your brokerage, pull up your platform, start making some alerts. 15,200 is definitely a scalp for a long zone. From the 15,200, you have about 70 points worth of room into this upper consolidation. And as we break the 15,268, definitely has room for a leg higher. Now, we are coming to the bottom of this zone, 14,723. Currently, we stopped trading at 14,861 today. So we need to see what the futures market is going to open up like here in just a little bit's time, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, my time, and see how we trade into the overnight session. What I would be looking for in the overnight session is if we do come into the 14,723 area, I want to see if this is going to hold. Now, if this is going to hold, I think we could see a little bit of a dead cat bounce tomorrow. You can use 14,723 as your absolute stop loss and play this into 14,939. Write those levels down. 14,723. This is your support. This is your demand zone. If we lose this, all bets are off going to the long side. And if you want to bounce this stock, 14,939 is where your take profit zone. So you're going to want to be taking profits here, holding a contract for a runner, see if we can get back up into that 1550 area. Now, the easy short position for me is anything down here into the 14.7s and then any kind of false bounce and then a rejection somewhere at this 200 level and then a fade through 14.723. This is my short position for money signs all the way down, guys. Definitely set your alerts for that. If you guys are interested in trading futures, the futures market is open 23 hours out of the day. We're open every single day except for Saturday. We reopen on Sunday. If you guys are looking to trade futures, maybe you guys have a strategy. Maybe you guys are interested in day trading, but you do not want to risk your own money. You do not want to risk your own capital. Maybe you have a clear understanding, but you don't have enough. Maybe your broker doesn't allow you to trade futures. Guys, definitely come over with me, trade futures. I work with a fantastic prop firm. We can get you funded up to $150,000 to trade futures. You can trade things like the NQ, the ES, which is the SPY. You can trade crude oil. You can trade a little bit of gold. You can trade whatever your heart desires, the IWM, the Dow, whatever your heart desires, guys. And also, if you do want to trade futures and you do take that leap of faith to go ahead and get funded up to $150,000 to trade on, definitely join the Discord so you guys can become a part of the team, so we can kind of go over these levels intraday together, so you're not just going at this alone blind. I'm more than happy to help you guys out with these technical levels, give you guys these plays and breakdowns to better help suit your trading path in your career. With that being said, make sure to give me a thumbs up on this video. Also, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys all in the Discord. I'll see you guys all on the other side trading futures, and I will see you guys all in the next YouTube video. Until next time, guys, have a good one.